Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with a new video, and this video is about the installation of Oracle12c on Linux operating systems, and we will configure the database at the end of the video. For this demo purpose, I'm using virtualization VM. So if you guys want to know how to install virtual machine using VMware or Oracle VirtualBox, please do check my previous video. I will give links in the description box, so guys don't forget to check the description box. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and comment your view after watching the video. So let's get started with our today's topics on Oracle installation on Linux platform. Oracle Database is one of the most widely used relational database management system, that is RDBMS, in business environment or production environment, which is developed, maintained and supported by Oracle Corporation. This RDBMS is often installed on top of a Linux operating system such as we have Red Hat Enterprise Linux and CentOS or Scientific Linux. This makes it a very robust operating system, a choice of database. After installing Oracle12c, configuration will be done through a graphical user interface. That is the reason why we need CentOS 8 server with the X Windows Systems or Group X Windows Systems software group install. Also, note that Oracle account is required to download the Oracle database installer file. However, don't worry about this, you can create an account for free. Finally, make sure that your server has at least 2 GB of RAM and 30 GB of available disk space. These hardware requirements are safe for a test environment like ours. So, if you guys are planning to use the Oracle in a production environment, make sure you increase the hardware requirement. To begin, make sure that all the packages currently installed on your operating system like CentOS 8 or Red Hat Enterprise 8 are updated to their latest version. Okay guys, let's get started to our main agenda. So let's connect to our Linux operating systems. I'm using MobileStream, this terminal, which is the powerful terminal. You can install GUI application and by using this MobileStream. So I recommend you guys to install MobileStream if you want to use. I'll give links on the description box, so please check the description box. Okay, I will just log in. Please log in with the root user. Alright, to download, as I have already said, to download Oracle installer file, you need an Oracle account. So in order to create an Oracle account, here is the link I will give in the description box. Please check that. Alright, this is, you can create this for free. Okay, after you have created the account, you can download the installer file from here. Okay, here is the file over here. Is it 12.201. Alright, yeah, if you click this one, you will prompt to the license agreement. So just agree it and download. So here you will be asked to log in with the Oracle account. So use this account you have created and then sign it, then automatic Oracle installer will be downloaded. Alright guys, so we can just, so make sure you have downloaded this file. So we can now proceed further. So in the step 1, I have created the text file so that it will be easier for you guys to and for me also. So first of all, we will check the status of the machine. Alright, just type hostnamectl status Right, so we can see that static name of the machine and icon name, and chassis is a VM, machine ID, boot ID, virtualization we are using VMware for this, and operating system is CentOS Linux 8 core. Alright, for OS we have kernel and architecture is a 64-bit. So if you check all this, then you are ready to proceed further. And one more thing, you should have the host name. It should be a fully qualified domain name in order to install the Oracle software. Alright, if you have checked this all, so we will go to the next step. We will disable the Selinux and firewall. So to disable the Selinux and firewall, we will first check the firewall status. Right now it's running, so we will just disable the firewall and just copy paste. Alright, so we'll just stop the firewall. Oh, let us check one more time state of the firewall. Right now it's not running. Alright, okay, we need to disable the Selinux. Okay, go to the use the VI editor for this, etc and Selinux and config. Alright, just edit the text file. As you can see that Selinux is now enforcing, so you need to disable this setting. Alright, just save the file. Right, we have already done this one. So as I've already told you guys that you need to upgrade the complete systems to the latest version. Like we need to update our package in the CentOS Linux to the latest version. So to update, here we have the command yum update -y. Y is a argument yes. Okay, so we'll just update our system. Alright guys, this will download all the packages, latest package, and installed on your system. And this task is going to take a lot of time, so wait till this update will finish. Alright guys, here you can see the package has been completely installed on our system, so we can proceed further. So to install Oracle software, we need to install a development tools. So I have prepared the command for this, so I'll just run this command yum -y groupinstall development tools. Just paste it. So this development tools is required to install your Oracle software. So make sure you guys install this development tools. And after installing a development tools, we need to install a more RPM packages which are required for installing Oracle software. So wait till the development tools get completely installed. Alright, our development tools is successfully installed, so we will proceed further for installing the RPM. Okay, we'll just clear the screen and run this command. Shit. Sorry, here is some mistake. It's a m yum. So on, we will install the KSS. We will install libdevel. So on, we will install rhel libs and rhel devel. Here I am installing Red Hat LSP core, and it will install the LSP soft mode security and specs. Alright, you can see the Red Hat LSP core and the specs, and also some sub packages are also installed by LSP core. So we will move forward for installing motif and the libxp. I will give all this command in the description box, so make sure you guys check the description box for this. Alright, so one RPM package is not available in our Linux in our CentOS system, so we need to download this from the different site. So here is the link. Yes, here we have the compact libstdc, so make sure you download the 64-bit file. Alright, I have already downloaded, so let's go to the folder where I have downloaded that. Yes, here we can see. So we need to change the file access. Alright, so use this rpm-ubs and then package name to install the package. Alright, this installed. So we can proceed to the step 2. So we need to add the kernel parameter in the systemctl.conf file. So use the vim editor for this. So we'll just clear the screen. Alright, so we did the file. To edit the file, press I and copy paste the parameter file. Alright, press OK and then save it. So we need to make change to the file so that it will get affected, right? So you can see also the below command. So this will make change to your parameter file. All right. So we need to set the limit for the Oracle in the limits.conf file. So we use the VM editor. So at the end of the file, edit the file and just press it. This is the Oracle. We will create Oracle user after short time. So just paste it and set the file. Right. So we will just create the OS group for the Oracle installation purpose. Okay, so you can just clear the screen. Just install the groups. Right, group is successfully installed. So we will add the user. Here we will create the user Oracle. Right, so we will change the password for the Oracle user. Use the command password the Oracle. So type your password. Right, authentication token updated successfully. So we need to modify the user for Oracle user, which is the owner of our Oracle software. So run this command. All right. So we'll create the step 3. We'll create the directory for installing Oracle software. So I am using a custom directory. So we'll create this directory. Make directory app and then change the mode file for this directory. All right. So go to the apps directory and then create a directory Oracle and then product 12.2.0 and db_1. So here the -v argument will create the directory recursively. So just copy this and paste. Alright, we'll send the owner of the directory to the Oracle user. Okay. This one we need to add the environment variables in Oracle user profile. So here is the user profile. Under home oracle.base_profile is our directory. So just edit the file. Right, so let us check our Oracle hostname. So make sure you guys put your own hostname, which should be a fully qualified domain name, and your Oracle unique name. Unique name is the Oracle SID. Alright, so you can just copy and paste this. So make sure you guys put your own hostname. Alright, just save the file. Right, so here we need to, I think you guys have already downloaded the installer, Oracle installer. So we'll just unzip the file. So to unzip the file, go to your installer directory. Yes, here we can see the Linux x64-12.2.01 database.zip file. So we need to unzip the file. Unzip and Linux. So after the unzip ping process will be completed, so we will run the run installer for installing Oracle software. Right, the unzipping process is successfully completed, so we'll just check the file. Here the database directory is unzipped, so we'll go to the database directory. Alright, so we can see the run installer. So we'll just run the file. Oh, sorry, because the Oracle user is for installing Oracle, we are using the Oracle user, so we'll change our user as Oracle. So run the SSH and -y and Oracle the user at your host name or IP address. Right, click yes. Right, it's permanently added to your non-host. So give the password of the Oracle user. Alright, so just clear the screen and then change the directory to your installer directory. Okay, home, and mine is home software. You can see, go to the database and then is run installer, then run the installer. Alright, the name space checking is passed and color displayed is also passed. So if you use mobile stream, because it supports 256 color, so you can just proceed. Right. Alright, here you can see, if you wish to receive security update via my Oracle support, you can put your Oracle email ID and password, or if you don't want to get updates from Oracle, just uncheck this and then go to the next. Just yes, and create and configure a database. Alright, then go to the next. Alright, we are using server class, so give the server class. Here, single instance database installation. Press next. We will use advanced install. So which database edition do you want to install? We use Enterprise Edition 7.5G. Okay, alright. It is Oracle base and Oracle software location will be under app Oracle product 2.0.1 db1. Okay, if you find, go to the next. The embedded directory will be under apps, and ORI inventory group name will be ORI install. Okay, hit next. So we are using for general purpose transaction processing. So if it is fine, go to the next. Okay, here we can see the Oracle database name, global database name. It's Oracle SID, Oracle System Identifier. Alright, so we are not creating a container database, so uncheck it. Hit next. So the memory, I would like to hit 2 GB memory for this, and then character set should be a Unicode AL3 UTF-8. Okay, then give a next. System file will be set under Oracle Oracle data. Okay, click next, and so on. Click next. Okay, use the same password for all the account. So you can use your Oracle password for here. Right, give the next. So yes, so here we can see a group which we have added in during our configuration step. So give it next. Right, if you want to save a response file so that you can use while installing in a different machine, so you can save and use this response file as well. Okay, if you don't need, then just press the install. Alright, so the Oracle will install for some time. It will take some time, so wait till it completes. Okay, alright, here you can see our Oracle product is installed. So we need to run this script as a root user by using a root user. So go to your or log in with your root user. Okay, change to the app under app or inventory and run the Ora int root.sh. Ora int root.sh. Alright, as execution of the script is completed, so we will run the another command, that root.sh. So change to the directory and then run the root.sh. Alright, so enter the full path name of a local bin directory. So just press enter for a default one. Okay, do you want to set up Oracle trace file analyzer TFL now? So give enter, press. Alright, so here the root.sh script is successfully executed. If it is executed, so just press the OK button. Here we go, we have successfully installed the Oracle database. So just close this windows. Okay, now we will just check the listener status and ping to our database. Alright, the listener is up and running and the instance mydb is ready. Alright, so we'll just ping the database. Alright, here you can see the host is our fully qualified domain name and port used by the Oracle is 1521. Alright, and the service name, the SID is mydb. Right, we have successfully installed the Oracle, and so one more thing. So Oracle default system user password will expire after 180 days, that is 6 months. So we need to set the password expiry for unlimited time. So to do so, login with the SQL pos as sysdba. Right, it should be a small intro. Right, we are connected to the Oracle database12c. Enterprise version release is 12.2.0.1 and 64-bit production. Right, so to set the password lifetime unlimited, we need to run this command: alter profile default limit password lifetime unlimited. Alright, enter this. Here the user profile is altered, so the user password won't expire after 6 months. Alright, so just exit it from here. So with this, we have completed our today's video. So make sure you guys check the description box for all this command, and don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Okay guys, take care. See you in the next video.